Hi, today we are fixing the gasket of the 2005 Mercedes-Benz E500. The driver's side valve cover gasket, all right? Everything came out already. To do this side, it's a little bit different than the passenger side. This side, because got the fuel line get involved. So first of all, you gotta release the fuel pressure right here. You open up the cap and stick a screwdriver and release the pressure, all right? Then put a cap back on. And to lose this side, it's just, and to just make sure you got a couple big towers because it's gonna come out like a third quarter of the, maybe half a pint of the gas will come out. So you need the tower to make sure. And then remove the old gasket, this and that. Of course, I would prefer, take the coil pad out so you got more room. It's a lot easier. Some people do this job, leave the coil pack and the plugs on. It's different. You got no less room. The catch of this, you remove the mass airflow sensor collar. You move this collar, your life is a lot easier to remove these two hoses. This one is two connector into the one plastic connector, all right? It's difficult to pull it off. The old one, you gotta cut it. I cut it each end. Otherwise, there's no way. It's the plastic hose dried up. This one too, it was so dry, and this brand new one, look, it's so soft. So that's the difference. This one, because once you remove this mass airflow sensor collar, it's right there. The big hose connect to here, the PCV hose, and come over, connect the top of the cover. And this one is right underneath here, okay? You can see it right there. So basically, if you don't remove this collar, forget about it. You're gonna have a hard time to remove that. And this side is easier. This side, just push this. This side is funny, it's not that dry, all right? But the new one, get the whole set. This spring is perfect. Price is right, and they're made in Germany. They even got the Mercedes OEM parts number on it. So this actually is the 4 hoses, but the connector, plastic connector, you gotta cut out from the old one, all right? And reconnect it. And do not buy this brand of the gasket. Baxter Ani, all right? This thing is a new one, but it's like a ½ inch short, all right? I tried my best. Put in the hot water, blah, blah, blah. Forget about it. You gotta buy the other brand, Rein, made it in Germany. Look that, fit in perfectly, all right? Sometimes you gotta buy the right parts. And the other side, this is the silicone. You gotta clean it and redo the whole silicone gasket on top of this cover. Okay, so once it's done, put it on. Install is 11 bolt. All right, for the valve cover. It's 9 Newton meter to tighten it. For the coil pack, it's 8 Newton meter to tighten it, all right? For the fuel line, right here, after you finish, when you connect it, you tighten this fuel line, it's 38 Newton meter. So that's it. This is all the details, most important part. You gotta know before you do the job, all right? Other than that, tighten it from the middle, all right? Always from the middle and on the both way out, all right? That's the secret of the tightening this, the valve cover bolts, all right? That's it. I think this is the whole concept. I think everybody understand. It's not that difficult job, but it just Gotta do it slowly and surely. Thank you for watching. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.